I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. Yeah. And this be matter what? Matter come. What be the matter where you come? Listen. You know, say this Africa where we deal, no? Bribery and corruption, idea, a ball mine. A man or mine in your day, and so. It there's so many places. Some places like nursing, some places like police, some places like soldier, some places like immigration, so many things. They see how if you be what, you be man, where you go set job, where the job where you go search, baby I forget. If you like get the what, the best grade, get the best result, the best certificate, master forget it. They not go secure you the what, the job, no. So if they don't know who you are, but you have the skills, you have the knowledge, the ability to what, to make the what company go on. No? So of that, no, they not go make you what, come to the what, the company inside. Where you be shorty to her, where they say you be what, you be very beautiful, more fair. Ujina all your ba usipi usita, bibia kwana kwemu pa dia. Where you go seek job, where you not get any person or you not get any links there, where you just take your face and your body go out. If the manager needs see you, the manager no want sleep plus you. Before you go give you the job, instead of looking at you, whether you get the skills, before you go give you, no, you know what do? You go bear plus you, then do all of things where you go do plus you. Before you see say like in a way they feel say you go take give you, then what? He take give you. He come our way, enter on a service inside. The service way enter no be what? Be what? Police. The police personnel power way they roading body, where government give them dress, make it day, make it protect life and properties of people, make you look at the what? The citizens, them a way of living their things. You this policeman then catch them. They chain the pan. Where now you do what? They take bribe from a motor rider. A motor rider where he dey no, the motor rider don't know get papers. Where now they do what? They take drive the what? The motor no. So they take the bribe na. Now mean child they na military man people so him. You go see the pictures no where they go on for the screen top. Now mean child when military man we see him, where the military man go, they are there where ask what they go on. Where the motor rider they talk say he give the policeman what? Money. From there, the military man don't talk anything. Where your master they just slap, then give them back to back slap. The slap where they give them, no brother man, it's easy. You bonama you musa yes, you book police in where the police no, but still the military personnel was chasing the what, the policeman to put what law and order in the what, in a privileged way. That be the something where you go on when plenty people put the mama for what inside. Make I talk you something where we did. This world where we did inside no. If you don't know your water, that be what people they what look down upon you. If you appreciate yourself, if you know who you are, especially the girls, they are passing through so many what anxieties and depression because they are not having work to do. They go to the extent to sleep with managers, to sleep with CEOs. Before the CEO go secure the job. It be your own body, you know my body. Me my body where they tap here with me that you the talk now. If you do that thing, I will get a job. But the end results no way it did. The end results no there, you know. It lead to so many things. It lead to broken heart. It lead to something where you not tap then dream about it say this thing go feel what? Go feel happen. That be something where me flambo, I will talk you. Because if I don't talk you this thing now, no broad day where you go talk you. Well, bribery and corruption you need to know. If they make the what? The country need not develop. If they cause so many people to what? To lose their jobs, to lose their credibility, and also to lose the what? The development of the country. Because you know good. Bribery corruption, yeah, you know be something where you do for what? And so. Where your manager, where you be a Juma. And who will be our office, who will be our and like you have your own, like you are okay, and you need an employment. Look at the person's skills before you give the person work. And yes, sir, who 50 years now they money panel just like that. If the person is having an interest about the work Let the person learn on the job, so that the person can be on its own, so that the person can develop the business for what? For you. That be something where me I will talk. Because bribery and corruption there, you go out to the leaders, the ministers, it did them are there. Instead of a minister pardon will give minister money, say make it take go do something, road them something. Minister go tap the money top. On first kind of correction, no the training or the ticket. It takes slave queens where when I'm on me to where them then they pray, say make them a husband, love them. Now a minister power they take money, they follow slave queens. Because this slave queen power the whole phone bought by 120 million Ghana cedi. Hey, you where this person go get this phone for? If you think the thinking you go think think come again. The thinking no go rich. So bribery and corruption there, therefore what? Therefore put an end to where bribery or corruption. If you get people where you the monitor, if you then give you money, where they talk say take the money and go do something. Therefore trace what the money has done. Therefore see say it be this and that and this where the money need do, so that the country go feel what? Be developing. That be the thing where I go talk you. You go feel leave your comments for the comment box inside. It be very necessary. You go fit share your ideas, what today already inside. Me, I talk my own. Maybe you get some. You put the ideas for the will be super kind. No faithful to it. Then won't go bribery and corruption they kill you. And also you go fit follow us on all one of social media platform. Very necessary. Oh share, no one like, you know what share, no being so shabby. That be what me Flambo I will talk you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Stay blessed. Bow.
Too much GH. Me did I say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey the Isaiah Kodwampo. We betun afem the great ampo. Mbrenbren. Wonu me nka mo ni hwe Too Much GH. Too much yet, more too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say, bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane, bone pa na kase epe wo wi ase ya asonde. Asonde nti na Adam, wo hu nyame ye no nyame no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade. Kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH. Beshe ne subscribe bomoden o beshe pe na waye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura